Hello. I tried making editing my videos, but since that doesn't work, we're going back to the old school ways and just playing. Because screw you guys, you don't even appreciate me for playing my videos properly. So you're just gonna get an old school video of me just playing and not caring. Okay? Okay. Let's play some music. Let's go.
So I've got my essay written, and I've been working on it for about a week.
Yes, you're gonna
So now I'm
learn
going to
about
show
the
you how I
essay.
use Grammarly to edit. Okay, so here's my essay, and
This
I'm
is
going to
your
type
essay.
it
Yeah,
out.
yeah. This is what I want. It's pretty loud music. Pretty loud. I got that pretty loud. And this is that's a dog. There's is that the helicopter's coming back like huh? There's the commanders. There's the commander. In this one. Two more and there's not me. I see, I see. How does the gun technique work? I just kill them. 'Cause they don't it doesn't make sense. So 7-9 is there. 939 is gonna die. 939 the 939 computer should 9 second and 049 is yeah, and there's a dog is like so close to death. Yes, AHP, HS, I don't know what that means. Yes, AHP, I think. Shoot him! Yeah, man! Shoot him. He's gonna die. Chaos. There's two chaos kills. Oh, it's not a concert. Yes, it is. There's such a AFK. There's private things. AFK, this stuff. There's the USP. Uh, there is a motherfucker that's loud. It's loud. It's loud. 19. The feeling of that must feel like that must feel so bad. I hope he dies. Ooh, I hope this man dies. With all my with all the hatred I have, I hope this man dies. With every pinch of my heart, I hope he dies. Ultra 5 is pretty bad, pretty good at the same time. He's not bad, he's not good, he's decent at the game for what I think. Because Ultra 5, you can do some like good stuff. You can like surprise people. You can be a spy. But after the first round of people, after the first round, like you know when you all spawn, that's the best time you can do Ultra 5. You kill one person, you're not their body, so it's easy. But like as soon as it turns second round, no, your position is found unless you switch bodies. Like when you hear Ninetale Fox spawning, that's the best time to do it. Anything after, you're not gonna win at all. As soon as Chaos spawns with the miniguns, you're fucked. There's only two Devos left. There's reinforcements and there's a block. The commander's dead. There's like how many privates? There's 37. There's one sergeant and he's the AFK. So I would put like this guy because he has sergeant cell phone. For 5, he can get shot by any second. He can get shot and die. That's not even thing. He's just an 5. He's a failure. Just chaos. Ooh, chaos. We're gonna kill everything. Marauder, what does that mean? Whoever shot them, whoever blocked them. I forget, like, ooh, I have a block. That's not a block, it's my fault. Why can't I see anything? Why can't I see anything? Bye, brother. See you. I like this gun. I'm gonna take their guns. Oh. Take that. Screw you. Yeah, he has everything I need. I'll go with this one. It's just because I'll go with natural stuff. Everything else seems reasonable. Laser help, flashlight's better. Yeah, this is a good gun. Oh, it's not. It has a telescope inside. That sucks. Yeah, it's good. That's like my gun. Let's see. It's gonna take out my AK. I thought like MTF spawned after I did. Like, what is this? I'm just gonna go this way until I find something. Oh, it's a dead body. Ooh. That's not good. Is that blocked? That's it. It's just good. Oh, look, I'm safe. So, what happened here? So what happened here? Hey, we win! We win! Sayo, say hi. I like the new gun update makes it fun if you're chaos. See if like yeah, what the fuck is this? Oh, new round, new thing. Sayo, say. Game crashed. Oh, the game crashed. The Soviet Russian thing is too strong. I can see it now. The Soviet Russian anthem is so strong. The secret laboratory crashed. Da 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 da. That's not good. Our luck is shit. Fuck. Scientists, help us. Help us, scientists. Freddy's. I'm scared of pizzeria. Oh, I was gonna say peanut. Shit, that's peanuts. I'm scared that it's like machines. That's peanuts. They forgot to get the gun. There's only 3 gun spots. It's like, what's this place? Is the gun still here? Imagine they left the club, they didn't. Is the 205 still here? Peanut? Hi there. Hi. Nice gun you have there. Get shot in the head. Oh yeah, washrooms. So there's like washrooms, there's the gun, there's the yeah, there's peanuts from I'm horrified. 096. Failure. Escape. Escape. Checkpoint. 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 Space. Oh shit, that's not good. Hi, Peanut. Massacred everything in there, goddamn. Which seems like a good one. Alright, let's go. Let's go. How do I, send it? Right. Imagine I'm doing so for this. What are you doing here? not bad, not bad. What happened to him? Guess he didn't matter. Looks mentally scarred, and that's not good. I hate these people. HD class them. Dead. Oh, he died. Failure. Of course, I do because he's a failure too. He's a private look. I'm dealing with only class. Wait. How come the only class are still the backward state? That's one. Yeah, that's on 37. That's what I don't care. They kill her. This looks like a well-done film. Hello? That's what she should be. This man is even scarier than that. I'm really gonna end 3-2. No! Scientists do this. There are enough scientists asleep. Dude, he's like kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. This one looks like damage plus 10. Even time doesn't do that much. I have nothing to do with you. Let's do it. We will kill that scientist at all costs, okay? We're gonna kill that goddamn scientist. That was like, that was a scientist in like the, I forgot this dude. It's such a brutal thing. I don't care. This is not the way. Oh, this is the way. I'll take this. It's gone. I guess it's mine now. 30 seconds. Okay, boys. Goodbye. I hope you guys have a good day. We're not escaping this alive. We're not escaping this. Have a good day, everyone. Have a good day, everyone. Warriors died. Hello. I'm just gonna turn on the camera just in case. And then this one, I actually wait. Let's turn that back off. There. Months. Scientist. Go. Safe spot. Go. No gun? Okay, no gun. That's PG. There's Peanut. Yeah, let's just hide. We have nothing to do.
All biological substances must be removed in order to avoid destruction.
That's not walking. It's just. I heard it from miles away. Good escape, good escape. Good escape, boys. Let's go. Watch there be a dog. This is watch there be a dog. He kills me. I hate 049 and sneaky ass tactics. Let's see the gameplay. Let's see how they do. Okay, this is definitely just like special. Special. Take this way sometimes. That's what I put this. Imagine there's a card this game. There's just a card. I'll be so happy. This is he has fucking PTSD right there. Happy digits. He does have PTSD.
There's no fucking way how we just died like that.
Oh yeah, give us a beat. Let's go. That actually sucked.
Scientist gonna die. And damn, he didn't die.
Oh shit.
Dude, all the people died. What the I hope that died. Wait, there's a sign. Oh, it's not the 5. It's me like, wait, there's a D-boy alive. What? Once their plan backfire, he turns to MTF. Who watches their plan backfire? Oh, it didn't backfire. Plan backfire. So they want to do this. One of them is AFK, one's like D-boy. This is the most interesting content I've ever posted in my life.
Man, am I gonna have one dream tonight?
Oh, Captain Bro. What we will do, we will kill everything. This is a whole battalion of people, but then if you don't know, it's a magnum. It's a magnum. Magnum my caps. Where those bullets so they're not bullets. See? You know, guys, we're gonna commit arson. We'll commit arson. We're gonna commit arson. Pick up my gun, block. Pick up 2 of them. What's this? Flash trap. This is one of the more. Wait, why is their thing still alive? What is this? flashbang.
I was shooting at you. Oh, he won!
Fudge the flashbang.
That's what you get, Rat Man. Dude, that was clean. Why did you give up?
Imagine attacking the turrets. This is 9-6. It's like, oh, look, it's recharge. How's all 9-6 and really like the actual number when like circles entrance safely? It's like these dumbasses doesn't know what they're doing. Just kill them. They are dumb for like not dumb because I do agree with them. Circle 10, they're trying to save them. But if they're trying to save like the most dangerous SCPs like 682, like one the very dangerous SCPs like 696, 173, they're doing like dangerous stuff. If they want to save 999, sure, you can do it. But they better not hurt it. If they even touch, if they lose they can touch it, I don't care if they touch it. If they lose humanity, half a character, they're dead. They hate it.
Holy fucking retarded people. Jesus fucking Christ.
Don't worry, I'm doing something legal. Famous last words. Don't worry, I'm doing something legal. Damn it, I'm computer. Oh, I'm computer. Hey, look, I'm computer now. What are you doing? There's nothing here for you, my boy. Hello? What are you doing here? Check.
What's going on? This is the portion I'm playing with Tina. Why am I not showing somebody?
Shit, back up. Go back here and just. Yeah, 9096. I mean, dog, go turn around. You can find the elevator.
Thank you for that quick tutorial on how to play this with Tina. Thank you very much.
What are you doing? Oh, there's a D-boy. Move to. Still two of them. Regardless, successful piece, 6 scientists, 0 kills, 6 guards, 10 scientists, 23.
Oh, I love this new update already.
This really helps.
I like this new update.
DC room.
So, what happened to Shy Guy here?
Yeah.
What happened to Shy Guy?
Hey, Peanut, did you escape? Hey, you retards. Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm such a good. I'm such a good. Oh, fuck you. I'm also one kill. Peanut, I'm only gonna have
The
4
last
others.
one, other guys we beat.
You suck. Wait, this is fun. Hey, someone's attacking me. Tina, you can escape now for one. Kill him, Peanut, kill him. Kill him. I need experience.
Biocontainment found overall decontamination in T-10 minutes.
Dog, good job. There's 3 people in the room. There's 3 people in the room, dog. Dude, someone's attacking me hard. Goddamn. Yeah, I'm getting attacked. What is this? Yeah, can someone flip the switch back here? In oh shit. Yep. 18 of them spawned. Hey, guard. Can you flip the switch? Like, flip the switch, guard, please. I'm begging you. I don't want to die. Servers. Hey, can someone go to server room and like, undo the hatch? Hey, guard. Hey, guard. Guard, come on. It's Peanut. Thank you. Guard actually did not nice. Yay. Longer damage. They didn't do the damage. They're pretty nice people, I guess. My dog, that's my bad. Dog, that's my bad timing. You kill him? Kill him. There we go. There we go. Such a good, SCP. Nerf. Yeah, there, Peanut, go straight and you're gonna find, like, people you can kill. I was gonna electrocute him. Why did you do that without my permission? Peanut, why are you going so fast? What are you doing?
Please check the door behind you.
Peanut, are you okay? Do you need help at all?
Okay, I almost died there. Gonna hide underneath for a second while I heal up. Give me a second.
Peanut, can you go to server room and like defuse it? Because there's also people here.
Try my best, but oh my god, that's not a
Dude, there's also people. There's people there, my boy. Where are you, Peanut? Like, oh, there you are. Who is shooting you? I hear gunshots, but I don't know where it's coming from.
They can. They're all in some room.
Yeah, the thing's right here, Peanut. There. Thank you, Peanut. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, there's a new. Oh, there's 30 FTF. I'll help you out. Stay there. Stay in the hallway. Stay in the hallway, and I can turn it all black.
I am going to die.
Stay in the hallway.
Okay.
Stay in the hallway. I can turn it all black. Stay in the hallway, Peanut. Peanut, stay in the hallway. I can turn it black.
Yeah.
Peanut, I can turn it all black if you just stay in the hallway. Stay there. I'll tell you when people are coming. Okay?
Quick question. Can 914 change me into a different SCP?
Yes. There's someone.
Here they come.
There, kill him,
They have a flashlight.
there. Oh, run away from that. He tried.
Bro, that's a spot. I'm still healing up.
I can't lock it anymore. He banned one of the doors. I can't unlock it.
Need to regenerate health.
I can't lock it anymore because he blew up my door.
Can I find it? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Peanut, go to the Tesla gate. I can't close it here.
Yeah? Okay. Always rotate me. Shut the door behind me, please.
Yeah, go to the Tesla gate. I can.
My god, they got me.
There we go. Oh. Peanut, go. There. Just a big bitch.
Okay, I'm at
It's a big
100 health,
bitch.
but I regenerated health. So I'm just gonna have to wait for a bit.
Just stay at elevator A. Just stay there. Shit, that does a lot of damage.
My health is halfway regenerated, so I can go.
Why are you just staying at elevator A? I'm just confused. Peanut, you're just staying at elevator A. I'm just watching you.
I wonder if, like, you guys know Skylanders, right? Yeah, what if Chaos actually beat the Skylanders, no problem? Like, the Skylanders just died. Like, Guild Run, dead. Trigger Happy, dead. Eruptor, no, Eruptor was kick his ass. Fine.
That they got me.
You could one screen. Just get it out. Fungus.
Ah, my game. No.
Oh, there's one guy. There's oh god.
Oh, I wasn't done. But they're it's a stalemate. I thought like one sentence.
There's so many
So such a long thing. This thing is short. So yeah.
I'd go with Dairy Queen personally.
Oh, yeah, Dairy Queen's better.
Yeah, see, this guy knows what I'm saying. Like Dairy Queen, I mean, you got like the ice cream. I mean, especially like at those like villain shows, those are very very good.
If you're a Chick-fil-A fan,
Yeah, I gotta rinse.
this feels good. I mean,
It always feels like whenever I get like a Dairy, like not no Wendy's. Whenever I get like a Wendy's burger, it's always so greasy.
McDonald's chicken nuggets are good. Oh, get it then. They got sandwiches.
SCP me.
49 again. Ooh, I'm 106 now. Dang. Two SCPs. Peanut. Oh, hi. You look intimidating. Dumbass. I killed him.
Nothing wrong. Oh shit, it's a lady.
Come here.
A bunch of people down 106 won't see. You got, I mean, 096.
Larry, come here. He's in front of me. He's in front of me, Larry.
You're not gonna see those people.
Larry, he's in front of me.
Larry.
I'm.
You fucking idiot. You just let so many people escape.
I don't care. I want to kill this man. Yeah, there's nothing open for him. What? How is he escaping? There you go. There. Retards. I'm probably gonna win this. I just realized how scary that was. Dude, they're not even trying to shoot me. They're just like, cares. I hear people dying. You think you can escape? You think you can escape death? that I'm here to save you. Why is there two Peanuts? What? This man. Next snap. Look at can't fix this. Oh, time to shoot some. Time to kill some people. You know what time it is. He didn't expect that at all, as you can see. Ready? Let's go. You ready for my demise? 079.
Shake it, no, please
It's time for me to die. Like all my men. It's time for me to die. Come with you. I'm dying. I'm not afraid of death. This is a lot of people. Goodbye. Have a good time. Yeah, that took a lot of damage. I only have 135 HP. Yeah, I only have 1,100. There's a lot of MTF. I don't know if I'm supposed to kill this D-boy or not. Yeah. It's this way. It's this way. It's like,
Shake it.
I am gonna die. The amount of bullets I took into my body is so much. Oh, I want to see 106's rules. That might look chaotic. I found the exit that I almost died in again. The amount of times I could have died is so much. I am so hurt by those guards, but the amount I am so physically hurt by those guards. I don't know how they almost killed me. Okay. Let's go to gate B. Let's go, baby. Everyone, check out. You can come with. Let's go. Ready? Are you ready, Shy Guy? Speak in chat. Guessing that's a yes. You're gonna take all the bullets because I only have 1,500. That's only one person that can take it. Peanut, be prepared. There's someone coming up to surface.
I'm not on surface.
No, I mean someone's coming to entrance in gate B. See if anyone's camping. I'm just gonna hide here. I'm almost dead, so I'm just gonna be here. Fuck, that's chaos. Fuck, that's chaos.
You're getting killed.
Dude, I just see a truck coming out. That's scary.
These guys, are they trying to kill you?
No, they're trying to kill. Come back here. Just can you come back?
On your last generator, I turned it off.
Only have 58 HP. I'm going back inside the safe house. Ba-na-na-na, na-na-na. Hey Peanut, you still there?
I found a guy in heavy.
Yeah, I only have 87 HP. I'm gonna die. So I'm not gonna take any more bullets. Because I'm almost dead.
Run.
I just like peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
You got the show guy down?
Dude, I'm just like peekabooing them. Dude, I have 79 HP. This is a joke. Peanut, can you come to surface? I mean, yeah, surface. I'm gonna die.
Found the last two, they're in 049.
Just kill them so this round can end.
I'm tracking. When I go down to the elevator, computer, lock down the room, okay?
They shot me. Damn, that's not good.
Okay, computer, lock down the room. Can't.
Damn. They're hitting me. They are hitting me. This is horrifying. You know why? Because I don't know what's happening. Second. This is horrifying. Peanut, can you kill them? There's like 15 of them. I'm gonna die now. I am gonna die now.
Trying my best.
And I only have 45 HP. Just kill the last guy. Okay, I can do this. I forgot I can do this.
Yo, Larry, what's up? Oh, you.
Haha. Dude, there's so many SCPs. That was a fun one. Bum, bum, ba-da-la-la-la. Bum, 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 bum. Oh yeah, guys. That's the last of my episode. Yes, it's been an hour. So yeah.